In this video, you are going to learn how to install Afrinvest on Google Play Store. Most people have been thinking of how to invest. Most people have the capital, it's just in their savings account. They don't know how to go about investing. So basically, I'm going to be showing you the app you are going to use to start your investment journey. And for those of you that are not disciplined with your savings, this app can also help you to be disciplined with your savings, because when you save in your normal savings account, you normally remove it and you spend. But in this app, when you save and lock it, not until the time you set reaches, you won't be able to touch the money. You understand? So let's go. Let me show you how to install it. So you click on your Play Store, then you click on search bar, and then you search Afrinvest. Click on search. So they have upgraded their app. So this place that it bring open, all because I've already downloaded mine, so that's why it's bring open here. But you that you haven't downloaded it yet, it will bring out install like this up one. It will bring out install, then you install it, and when you install it, it will bring out this open. Then when you open it, you'll be able to create account and you start your investment journey. I hope you will all understand. Thank you for watching.